Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple Watch Ultraline has stood as the ultimate tool for adventurers, athletes, and tech enthusiasts. A rugged timepiece designed to conquer everything from city streets to mountain peaks. But now in 2025, Apple is finally ready to unveil the Apple Watch Ultra 3, and this isn't just a small step forward, it's a leap. We're talking about a bigger, sharper display with near borderless bezels, cutting-edge health monitoring like hypertension detection, satellite messaging for when you're off the grid, and even AI-powered fitness coaching that feels like having a personal trainer on your wrist. And all of this is wrapped in the same iconic Ultra design we know, only sleeker, smarter, and more connected than ever before. Today we're diving into every leak, rumor, incredible report to uncover exactly what's coming, when it's coming, and how much it might cost. Here's a visual sneak peek at the Apple Watch Ultra 3 renderings of its slightly refined design. A notably larger screen that's generating a lot of buzz. Apple Watch Ultra 3. Rumors, leaks, an overview, introduction, and background after skipping a new Ultra model last year. Apple is gearing up to launch the Apple Watch Ultra 3, its first major upgrade in 2 years. Rumors suggest a September 2025 reveal alongside the iPhone 17 and Apple Watch Series 11. Key rumored specs and features: display enhancements, resolution bumped to 420 to 514 pixels, up from 410/502, delivering a visibly sharper and more immersive display. Possible 1.98-inch screen, achieved by trimming the bezels rather than enlarging the case. Upgraded to LTPO3 OLED panel, enabling always-on display refresh rates every second and improved brightness and power efficiency. Next-gen processor expected to debut with the S10 or S11 SiP, providing faster performance and enabling advanced features like AI-driven workout assistance, advanced connectivity. First Apple Watch with 5G. RedCap support a low-power 5G variant, bringing improved connectivity and data speeds. Satellite messaging. Support for emergency texts when Wi-Fi or cellular is unavailable. Ideal for adventurers off the grid. Health monitoring upgrades. Rumored to include hypertension, high blood pressure detection, capable of detecting upward trends in blood pressure, continuous core health tracking, heart rate, ECG, SPO, sleep, and possibly a workout buddy AI coach, though details vary some. Sources propose AI coaching with watchOS 2.6. Design largely unchanged in size, still 49mm, but leaner with reduced bezels and possibly slimmer body. Longer battery life expected. Speculative estimates suggest up to 48-hour normal use, with improved low power and workout runtime. Additional rumored enhancements: some sources hint at a wide-angle OLED, brighter display, faster charging, possibly with larger charging coil, and maybe even a side camera for AI visual analysis, though less confirmed. Top 10 rumored features. 1. Larger 420 to 514 OLED display with slim bezels. 2. LTPO3 tech for smooth, power efficient, always-on visuals. 3. S10 or S11 chip, boosting responsiveness and AI features. 4. 5G RedCap connectivity for faster standalone data access. 5. Satellite messaging for emergencies in no-signal areas. 6. High blood pressure detection for advanced health monitoring. 7. AI-powered workout buddy for smart fitness coaching. 8. Potential thinner build, retaining rugged ultra form factor. 9. Enhanced battery life, possibly 48 hours under normal use. 10. Possibly new side camera and faster charging, unconfirmed. Expected launch September 2025, likely at Apple's iPhone 17 event on September 9th. Price range likely remains at $799, aligning with past Ultra models though. Some predict slight inflation up to €799 or even $899. $999 depending on added features and regional factors. Display 1.98 OLED, 400/514 LTPO3, tuned brightness and efficient side. Chip S10 or S11 SiP, For better performance connectivity, 5G, RedCap. Satellite messaging. Health features, hypertension detection, workout AI. Standard EXPO sleep tracking design, slimmer bezels. Same 49mm size battery, estimated 48 hours use, faster charging potential. Price and launch $799. Debuting September 2025 with iPhone 17. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be a substantial leap forward in the Ultra lineup, with upgraded display, connectivity, health sensors, and AI-driven features. The 2-year wait might finally pay off for outdoor enthusiasts, health-focused users, and tech-savvy consumers. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't just another smartwatch, it's shaping up to be the most advanced wearable Apple has ever made. With a larger, more vibrant display, faster performance, satellite capabilities, and life-saving health features, this watch is designed for people who push boundaries, whether that's summiting a mountain, diving into the ocean, or simply demanding the best tech on their wrist. Of course, these are still leaks and rumors, and Apple always loves to keep a few surprises for launch day. But one thing's for sure, come September 2025, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 might just redefine what can do so. Are you ready to upgrade? Because this time, it looks like the wait will have been worth it.